Welcome back to Wobblebox Adventures, guys. Thank you all for checking out our channel. Thanks for all the new subscribers. So as you know, we've been recently doing the bed in the back of the van. Now I got the idea off Pinterest, and then I seen another YouTuber do it. So I've basically had a go at doing it ourselves. What I'm getting is a lot of questions asking me, where did I get the parts? What part numbers are they? Where can you get them? So all the parts are from IKEA, apart from, you struggle to get the brackets that bolt against the wall. The brackets that bolt against the wall are not purchasable. What you can do is you can phone IKEA and they may have some, or you can go to the salvage section of IKEA and have a look in the boxes and you might find some. They come with a bed, and the problem is you can't buy those brackets separate. Or you can buy them separate, but they're £20 each for two on Amazon. So I have found them on Amazon. Excuse Poppy barking in the background. So at the end of this video, I'll put the link up of the cross beams with the part number, and I'll put the Amazon link that I found as a photograph, which is £20 for two. I have found them on eBay, but they were 35 quid on eBay. I hope this all helps you out. As you can see, if you want to see how I fitted them by riv-nutting them into the van, check out our previous video. I think it's episode 4, and then you can see where I used a rivet, what they called, pot rivet gun, not pot rivet gun. Oh, I can't think of the name of them. I'll add a picture of the tool at the end. But yeah, I used one of those to basically put like a sleeve into the metal, and then I used 8mm bolts then into that, and it's really strong. It's held our weight. I've led across there and there's no chance it's going to move. So yeah, it's really good. So hope this helps you. If there's any questions, please just drop them in the link below. But it is really just a quick little one just to give you some part numbers, so that when people are asking me, I can just drop the link now for our YouTube and you'll be able to see them. Okay, thanks guys, stay safe. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't already, please subscribe just to help our channel go out, and I hope this bit's been quite helpful for you. Thanks a lot. Bye.